good, but last year, yeah, see, she's kissing more at home too. Why is that?
Huh?
Is there a reason why as they're getting older they...
Sometimes they just get tired of it.
Like she hisses sometimes. She never used to hiss, and now she seems to hiss more.
Oh, Mom, we're running low on batteries.
All right, honey.
You're doing good.
I mean, she's really good with me.
We love you, Pebbles.
She's my cat.
She's really good for you right now.
No, I know. That's what you guys told me last year. That's when I got nervous about bringing her, because I just feel so bad for her.
You're so good, darling. You're okay.
She's such a friendly cat to people.
You know what? You can go out and weigh it down for us.
Oh, I can do that easily.
What was it? 13 what?
13.7.
Mom, what happens if it runs out? Will it still keep this recording?
Yeah. Sorry, Pebbles.
Pebbles, you're being so good today. Oh. Pebbles, what kind of talk is that?
Oh, God.
Yeah, this was 3.9.
3.9.
Your heart's very good. I love your
Oh,
heart.
good.
Come here.
3.9.
Mom, this one's low.
So she's what, about 10 pounds then?
Yeah, like 9.
9.8.
Yeah, 9.
It's okay, sweetie. Pebbles, it's okay, baby. It's
Pebbles.
okay. It's okay.
Mom, what happens if it runs out of
It was
batteries?
so cute down there.
Oh, we'll still save it?
That's what she was the other time.
Oh, that's good, huh? Yeah. That's a good girl.
Now she's not, she's indoors, right?
She's in there, but we let her out on the porch to get some fresh air.
Goodbye. You're with her, right?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Pebbles.
Now,
One shot, Pebble, and you're done.
good. Should I get the cage ready? Are you good?
Yeah, if you can get it the top part open.